Hello, I'm in a 2014 VW Routan, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see this lever here. This will release the hood safety. And if there's no tension at all on this, make sure this cable is attached. If that cable is not attached, you might need to address that. We'll head up to the front. Now you should see that the hood's slightly loose, so you can reach your fingers in here, and there's a lever. We're going to push and lift. So push and lift. Once it's up, you got this arm here. Sorry for the camera work, but this will hold it up. Up here is where that lever was that was pushing. Make sure nothing's bent, broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned out. And then down here is where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's broken, no debris that needs cleaned. And if this is all sticking a lot up here, maybe try some WD-40 to spray to loosen this. And then also, if it's crooked, double check that your hood's in proper alignment as well. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.